These questions are designed for 4th grade students studying Unit 5 on endangered animals in the English Code textbook. Before we begin, please number your notebook from 1 to 45. This will help you easily track your points throughout the activity. Enjoy! It means being overly fuzzy or particular about one's appearance or manners. The word is frizzy. It is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. The word is tree. The word we're looking for is having 3 sides or corners. The word is triangular. Having only length and width like a flat surface. The word is 2D or two-dimensional. It means having length, width, and depth like a solid object. The answer, 3D or three-dimensional. It is the distance from the top surface to the bottom or the distance inward. The word is depth. What do you call the measurement from the base to the top of an object? The answer is height. This is a device that produces even illumination, often used for viewing transparencies or tracing. The answer is light box. These are shapes formed by the empty or unfilled spaces between objects. The word is negative shapes. These are shapes formed by actual objects or elements in a composition. The word we're looking for is positive shapes. What do you call the edges or boundaries of a flat or solid object? The answer is sides. What do you call the measurement of the extent of something from side to side? Width. The answer is width. These are animals that live and grow in natural environments. The word we are looking for is wildlife. This is a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. Forest. We are looking for the word forest. This is a natural flowing water course, typically with fresh water flowing towards an ocean, sea, or lake. Yes, you're right. The answer is river. It is an open area of land often used for farming or sports. The answer is field. This is a term used to describe a species of animals or plants that is at risk or becoming extinct. The word is endangered. These are living beings that can move, eat, and breathe, including a variety of species such as mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. These are what you call as animals. What do you call a colorful insect with large and delicate wings? Yes, you're right. It is a butterfly. These are substances with a distinct molecular composition. The answer is chemicals. This is a large bird of prey with a hooked beak and powerful wings. Eagle. The answer is eagle. This is an open area of land often used for farming or sports. The answer is field. This is the natural environment where a plant or animal species lives. The answer is habitat. It is a large, elevated landform with a peak. The answer is mountain. A semi-aquatic mammal with sleek, water-resistant coat. The word we are looking for is otter. The introduction of harmful substances into the environment. Pollution. The word is pollution. It is a condition or event that may cause harm or danger. Threat. The answer is threat. It is a large carnivorous feline with a distinctive coat pattern. Tiger. The word we're looking for is tiger. It is a reptile with a protective shell that lives both on land and in water. That is correct. It is a turtle. It is a carnivorous mammal known for its pack behavior. The answer is wolf. It is a structure built to span a physical obstacle like a river or valley. Bridge. The answer is bridge. It's a color that resembles the color of earth or wood. Brown. The answer is brown. It is a crustacean with a broad carapace and claws. The answer, crab. It means easily annoyed or irritable. The word is cranky. It is a mythical fire-breathing creature often depicted with scales and wings. The answer is dragon. It is having a fanciful or imaginative quality. Dreamy. The answer is dreamy. It means warm and pleasant in behavior, showing kindness. Friendly. The word is friendly. It is a small amphibious creature with long hind legs. Frog. The answer is frog. It is a green plant with narrow, blade-like leaves that covers the ground. Grass. The answer, grass. It is a color that falls between black and white. Gray. The answer is gray. It is a color resembling grass or emeralds. Green. The word we are looking for is green. It is a bird known for its plump body and strong legs. The answer: grouse. It is the process of increasing in size or developing. The answer: growing. It is a female royal member of a monarchy, often a daughter of a king or queen. Princess. The answer is princess. It is the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals, often contributing to population decline. Poaching. The answer is poaching. There it is! Did you score 45 points? Congratulations on a job well done. See you next time, and I hope you've gained a lot from learning these vocabularies.